This is an unboxing of one of those party pieces that makes the whole table look so planned. I cannot wait to use this for the upcoming holidays. This is the over-the-table rod stand. Once I build this, I'm going to be able to add balloons, garland, flowers, and I really like that it's going to clamp right onto the table. You can adjust it from 34 to 102 inches wide. So that's really nice. There are different sizes here, and each rod has a different function, but basically 38 to 27 inches tall. That's amazing. Plus 34 to 102 inches wide. These are the corners. So each one is going to go on top of the table. And then the clamps are going to attach right to the tabletop. What I'm very excited with is I could put my balloons on this, my garland, any greenery. It's going to be really nice. I'm going to use this for graduation. We could use this for church events. And I really like the gold finish. Makes it really feel part of the decor instead of something I want to hide. And I have it all laid out here, so it's reusable. You can use it with many different tables because of the ability to make it longer or smaller. But this is a simple way to make a basic table look so finished. I can't wait to use this on the festivities, but my tables are going to look so much more put together. I highly recommend the over-the-table rod stand with 2 clamps. This review is sponsored by the brand.